Everyone, welcome to CapacityBay INC. I'm Emmanuel from CapacityBay and I'm your instructor for today's course. Okay, so I'm going to be doing some introduction to HTML. We are creating a playlist for HTML, teaching you HTML, breaking HTML down into smaller particles where you can understand, even a layman can understand it, because that's what we do in CapacityBay. Okay, break it down for you, you understand it, and you get good at it by practicing. Okay, so stay tuned and get more updates. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, what's HTML? If you're going into web development or you're new to web development, this is actually going to teach you the basic fundamentals of what HTML is. Now, what is HTML? HTML is a shorthand for hypertext markup language. Okay, it's one of the most fundamental building blocks of the web. Now, there is an incredible power underneath this rather simple and limited set of rules, which lets us, developers, makers, designers, writers, and thinkers, craft documents, applications, and experiences for people around the globe, creating solutions using the web. Okay, now HTML was officially born in 1993, and since then it's evolved into its current state, moving from simple text documents to powering rich web applications. Most of the web you see are built with HTML. Okay, now let me explain HTML deeper. I'm going to be using the human form. Okay, now we humans, all right, we are we have a skeleton, we have a flesh, which is our body, and then we have our functionality. Now, in web development, HTML, what is HTML web development? Okay, HTML is the structure of your web page. That's how your web page is structured. Okay, now I'll be using the human form for demonstration. Now, the humans, we have skeleton, we humans. We have skeletons and we have our body. Now, our body in our flesh, rather, our muscles in CSS, in web development is CSS. Now, what is CSS? Cascading style sheet. Come back to that later on. We're going to be creating another playlist for CSS. CSS actually adds beauty to your web page. It beautifies your web page, it styles your web page, giving it the colors, okay, the beauty of your web page. Simple, okay. And then you have the functionality, which is JavaScript. Now, what's JavaScript? Okay, now let's use the human term to illustrate. Okay, I was told, or rather, I told my eye to blink. That's a motion. Okay, that's a function. So that's what JavaScript is all about in web development. JavaScript will actually interact with the web page, add functionalities to it, make it user friendly. Okay, you go to some sites, you say you click a button and something happens. That's JavaScript. Okay, it works with functions. All right, so we're not going to go deep into that. Well, we'll create another playlist for that also. So we have the roadmap. We're going to lead you into becoming a full stack web developer. Now stay tuned. All right, what are you going to learn in this course? Okay, you may be saying, we're having a course in HTML. What curriculum? What am I expected to gain from this course? Now we have different topics that we're going to be teaching and teaching deeply. Okay, breaking it down for you to understand. Now, going through the HTML basics. We'll explain HTML basics, give you tips and tricks and shortcuts when you've learned how the HTML functions. Okay, now we have the document heading. Right, we'll go into that later on. We also have the document body. We're going to be teaching you that. You're going to learn how the body works and what goes into the body. All right. Now we have tags that interact with text. We have a paragraph, a H1 tag. Don't worry, you're going to get to that. Just stay tuned. Okay, we have links. You can go to pages and then you click a text or a button and then it redirects you to another page. Those are links. All right, get to that. Now, container tags and page structure. We're going to get to that place where you understand how container and page are structured in HTML, right? Now, forms. You go to site, you fill forms for registration, for cards, to buy things online, you fill form, okay? We're going to put you through that. We're going to learn how you do that with HTML, okay? Now, tables. We're going to teach you how to create tables on your HTML page. Wow, that's great. Okay, multimedia tags. We have the audio and video. All right, you go to sites, you have YouTube that has videos, and then you have some sites where you download audios. Okay, HTML, we're going to teach you and you understand how those works. Iframes, all right, this iframes is just embedding a different web page from a different source to your web page and then gives that same effect. It's just like cloning a site in your web page, right? In any shape you want, in any size you want. Okay, place it and then someone can actually be interacting with the site in your web page. That's iframes. Now, images. Okay, you go to site, you see images. There is no site you go to now, modern web pages, you don't see images. Images are just, they are necessary for web pages to actually make it user friendly, interactive, understandable by some users. All right, what next? We have accessibilities. Okay, we'll be going through that, going through HTML5 semantics and lots more. So stay tuned with us and then you're going to get HTML and build web pages in no time. All right, this is a course for those that are finding it difficult to understand HTML. You have been learning HTML and you don't really understand HTML. We're going to help you get this. You're going to learn HTML from the basics, understand it step by step. All right, and those that you're good in HTML, you've learned HTML before, okay, this course is also for you. You can remember what you've forgotten before. All right, so the course is also for you. You learn new things, we learn together, and we're going to be creating our web page, a first started web page as our project after this course. All right, thank you for watching. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe for more updates if you're new. All right, and stay tuned. We're going to give you more updates. See you in the next video. Bye bye.